Now may I request His Excellency the Governor of Karnataka, Dr. T.N. Chaturvedi ji, for his presidential address.
Respected Rashtrapati ji, His Holiness revered Dr. Shri Shri Shiv Kumar Mahaswamigal of Sri Siddhganga Mutt, His Holiness Adi Chunchunguri Mutt, His Holiness Sri Deshkendra Mahaswamiji of Sutur Mutt, Honorable Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Honorable Kharge, other honorable ministers on the dais, the MLAs, MPs, MLCs, my young friends, the Swamis in front, and very distinguished ladies and gentlemen. On the auspicious occasion and memorable occasion of the centenary celebrations of the revered Swamiji, it is a matter of great privilege and honor for us all that our respected Rashtrapati ji is present with us today. Last year too, he graced the 99th birthday celebrations. His presence this year again bears testimony as to how people hold Mahaswamiji of Sri Siddhganga Mutt in high esteem and affection. Mahaswamiji's life has been characterized all along by profound humanism, breadth of vision, and large-heartedness. He is an embodiment of benevolence and of benignity, of light and learning, of love and loveliness, of sublimity and social sensibility, of goodness and godliness. He belongs to the genre of rishis, sages and seers of ancient times, because of whom this country is so well known. A firm devotee of our hoary cultural heritage, Mahaswamiji represents a remarkable harmony of the best in the old and the new. He believes in the modernization of tradition. Mahaswamiji's guiding light has been Lord Basveshwara. He exemplifies in his life Veer-Shaivism in its pristine purity. The principles of Aparigraha and Dasoha are the animating essence of all his activities and institutions, basically devoted for the betterment of the disadvantaged, the disinherited, and the disprivileged. For him, neither the world nor the humanity is fragmented. There is nothing small or narrow so far as Swamiji's sympathies are concerned. There are no walls around him. His belief in the dignity of labor and of man lends moral strength and ethical aroma to his words and his loving personality. A few minutes spent with him become inspirational. A few words of nectarine significance uttered by him become Upanishadic aphorisms and make a great impact on the audience. His life epitomizes his vision of Satyam, Shivam, and Sundaram, all that is truthful, all that is good and beneficial, and all that is beautiful. Like Gandhiji's, whom Mahaswami adores, his life is his message. Mahaswami's life is his legacy for the posterity. On this happy occasion, I pay to His Holiness Dr. Sri Shiv Kumar Mahaswamiji my respectful felicitations and pranams. I pray to the Almighty, along with each and every one of you here and elsewhere, that Mahaswamiji may continue to be the beacon light on the path of rectitude, goodness, togetherness, peace, and harmony in years ahead for our society. May Swamiji and his celebrations be the morning star of the resurgence of Suvarna Karnataka. Namaskar, Jai Bharat.